Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall and let your body relax. Reach your arms up and stretch slowly. Lean softly to the side. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Fold forward and let your head rest. Lift halfway and stay gentle. Stretch back slowly and softly. Step forward and stay low. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lower down into a gentle squat. Lower your body and rest here. Let your chest melt toward the mat. Stay steady on your hands and knees. Sit tall and relax your legs. Stretch gently to the side. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Reach forward slowly. Lift your feet just a little. Lift your hips slowly up. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.